Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to repair a car tyre with a screw in it. I have done this before. It was a couple of years ago and this is the kit I bought. So just for the purpose of this video, I have put a screw in this spare old tyre and I'll show you what I'm going to do. The kit was bought off eBay, fairly cheap, worthwhile keeping in the car just in case you have a problem. So, without further ado, what we need is a screwdriver to take the screw out, the rasp, and the puncture repair holder. As you can see, I've prepared the puncture repair already, because once you take the screw out, air will start leaking. You need to put the rasp in, which plugs the hole. Clean the hole with the rasp and then insert the puncture repair. Now, as you can see, the screw comes out. The rasp will now go in. Now, this is a little bit awkward sometimes, but you just have to force it through. And as you can see, it's standing up in the hole now. Just give it a good turn round, pull it out, and then put your puncture repair into the hole. And again, this can be a bit tight sometimes, so just keep pushing. And this is more or less real time that I'm doing this, so you can see just with a bit of effort it will go in the hole. You do not want to push it all the way through. You need to leave some of the puncture repair on the outside. And as you can see now, it's going in. Twist it around, push it down. When you get to a certain point, you've got enough in the hole and enough sticking out the other side, you're going to pull the tool out. Once that tool is out, you can either trim the excess off, or if you haven't got a sharp knife and you're clumsy like me, I'll cut myself usually. Just leave it there, and as you drive along, it will just wear itself out. It won't affect the puncture. Now, this can get you to a garage to have a new tyre repaired, or leave it like I did. As I said, I left mine for 2 years. I forgot to do it, and it was perfectly fine. I eventually got 4 new tyres on the car, and it never failed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share.